This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. The lesson I'm on is Variables with B, Puzzle 5. Create your own code to solve this puzzle. Okay, so this is very similar to what we have been doing. So if you remember, we are first, I know, going to use a variable. Oh, what? Okay. Can I use something else? Okay, I'll just use I. That's weird. I to... No, I don't want to set it equal to I. Will it let me... Oh, maybe math? Yeah, okay. Set I to how much at first? I think 1. Okay. So set I to 1. Now, like we were doing before, let's use our loop and then repeat. Okay. And then we're going to repeat this. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. So, and then what should we run? Well, if we're doing it like they did in the last couple puzzles, and if you don't have this, you need to go back and do those, because otherwise this will make no sense. Watch my videos if you're stuck. Let's do what they did in the last few. So collect row, okay? And then how did we collect a row? Well, if you remember, loops, we said repeat, and this looks just like those puzzles, so that's where I'm getting my idea from. And we want this number to be able to change each time it loops from 1 to 2 to 3. So the only way we can do that is using a variable. And what variable? My variable is named I. So I, and then the action will be to move forward 1. And then what we did last time was to repeat again by the variable I. And what we would want to do is get nectar, and then we have another action. Oh, this is tricky. So it's always, okay. Can we use an if? Yeah, let's do that actually. If at flower, let's do it like we've been doing it. Okay. Get nectar, and then now this time though, the second movement changes too. I know in the last puzzle we just moved forward once, but it looks like we want to move forward depending on, oh, no. Loops, repeat, and we want that to be I. And then we're going to move forward by that amount. So the first time, this is all going to be 1. And then we're going to want to... There's 1 thing of honey. So that's a big hint that we want to, again, use the variable to control, because down here there's 2 things of honey. And over on the side here, there's 3 things of honey. So action, make honey. And then finally, we want to turn right each time. Oh, there it is. Okay. And then how many times do we want to do that? 3 times. So that's right already. A variable. Nope, I mean functions. We need to ask. Okay. So this will make sure we run collect row 3 times, because there's 1, 2, 3 rows, right? Just like before. And then what we want to do is, since it's going to be 1 and then 2 and then 3 is how we want to change it, we want to do what we did earlier, and we want to set I to be equal to, what it's going to equal is what I used to equal plus 1. So the computer reads this as not set I to I and it messes up. No, it says, oh, okay, set I to now be equal to, oh, what I used to be, okay, 1 plus 1. Okay, so the new I is equal to 2. Hits the bottom, goes back around, and we'll loop through the other side with 2. And then after we run the function, right, second time, collect row, with I being 2, we drop below and we say I now equals what I used to equal, so 2 plus 1. So, oh, I is now equal to 3, boom. Run the whole thing again, run this function, and it should be good to go. Because each time, we're going to now repeat once at first, we move forward once, repeat once, we get nectar once, so on and so forth, and then on the second round, we'll go forward twice, we'll get nectar twice. Let's give this a shot. Ta-da! Awesome. Onward!